To output a pipe network, in the Civil 3D Output tab, click on the Create Network button. Select the network conversion file and optionally pick the design and existing Civil 3D surfaces. Click Create Pipe Network, and when prompted, place the profiles in the plan view. I'll zoom in here, and to get a better look, I'll split the view. Profile on this side, and in the plan view on this side. If you select the profile, the contextual ribbon lets you fire up the station tracker. I like to make it a bit smaller, say 20 meters. Now we can view our pipe profile in one view and the tracker in the other.